Welcome to United by Trucks. Today we're in Oakboro, North Carolina at the C10 Fall Revival. Man, crazy turnout. Hi guys, good morning. We are in Oakboro, North Carolina, C10 Fall Revival. We got Pecos over here, TTR's here, John's here, we got Teddy, K5 rolling chassis, and man, we went to the venue last night. We got here about probably 1 a.m. Went to the venue, checked out all the trucks, man. It was amazing. They already have a lot of trucks inside the warehouse. We pulled Teddy, UBT K5, up here with this thing. For all my Super Duty fans, this thing is like a 2003 or 2004 7.3 Power Stroke, and it did the job. Man, what an amazing setup. Now, John and I want a Power Stroke, doesn't it, buddy?
Absolutely. Heck, I want that one. I don't want A, I want that one.
That one. Did you sleep all right, man?
I did, slept good.
And just so you guys can see, John got the new Teddy T on. Turn around, show them what's up. Oh yeah, man, looking awesome. Well, we're waiting on TTR, and we're gonna load up some merch on the back of this thing. There's Pecos. TTR will be out in just a minute. We're gonna get you to the party. Y'all hang tight. Oh, we got TTR, Pecos, and Avery. We got the oldest of the two now. Little Miss TTR. What's up, buddy?
Another day.
Another day, baby. Let's go do it.
Let's do it.
C10 Fall Revival.
What up, man? Good morning.
Our buddies Lou, Casey, Benny, they have put on a really awesome C10 GM truck show in Oakboro, North Carolina. C10 Fall Revival. Man, they have got a ton of trucks. This is their first year going, so I don't even know how many are here thus far, but we're gonna get out, film some trucks, show you what we're looking at. We hope you'll stay tuned, and big thanks to the Smith Concrete for hosting this show. This is really cool, so y'all hang tight, stay tuned, we'll show you some trucks. Alright guys, so we are at the C10 Fall Revival, and we're here with an awesome friend of mine, Jason Soup C10. He's here with a brown bagger. Tell us a little bit about the truck, man.
1977 Chevy Silverado, Big 10, original 454 AC Turbo 400 truck. Picked it up in Reno, Nevada about 4 years ago, almost 4 years ago. And the truck's only been here in North Carolina for about 4 months now.
Yeah.
And
so
this is really the first event we've taken it to since.
That's cool. So you made a big trek across the country with this thing on a trailer,
Huge
pulling it
adventures.
with an awesome classic Suburban too, right?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that trip, getting across the country with all
Oh,
this.
Gonzo and I started in Phoenix after we had put in knock sensors, the harness, we made an exhaust leak, we got it running good. About 7 miles into the trip, we break down, fuel pump goes.
Man,
We dropped the
7
tank,
miles?
yeah, 7 miles out of a 2,100 mile trip.
Wow.
It breaks down, and it turns out we had the wrong fuel pump in it. We didn't know yet that we had a TBI, like a pre-LS fuel pump in there, when really it could make the pressure we need, but it couldn't stay going. We were overwhelming the pump.
Wow.
But that happened another time. We went through 3 fuel pumps, dialing out some of the bugs in the LS.
Yep.
And then the bearing failed on the rear end and the driver
Suburban,
rear,
right?
yeah, on Lucky B, the
Yeah,
74. It came off and hit a Lexus, and that was you know, the end of the trip for her, you know, where she's at now, at your farm. But
well, we're taking care of her.
Great guys got us all home, including you. Yeah.
But we're keeping the Suburban safe. But the brown bagger, man, tell me a little bit about the suspension and the wheel and tire setup.
Sure. I mean, we can go back to when I bought it. I had just sold a 70 two-wheel drive Blazer. It was a conversion. And I took that money, bought this on eBay, and came home and ordered some GSI kits and just tore the whole thing apart. And this was right about the time I had stopped taking opiated medications for my back. I'm like taking for like 15 years. So it was really something to keep me busy and to get my mind off of it.
Yep.
But the part with the Blazer, I had no cruise for about a year. You know, we had the whole truck apart, and it finally got to the point where they wanted to do a calendar shoot for it. The frame was painted, totally disassembled, and we had it within 90 days to its first test drive.
Whoa, that sounds like something we do.
Yeah.
That's a ton of work.
Yeah.
So the front and rear suspension is
GSI.
What? GSI?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I got some Dell Specials made by Delmo Speed. We rebuilt the 454. We broke the 700 R4 3 times within 50 miles, so we went back to the Turbo 400. Yeah. It's got vintage air and heat, and it's also got their front runner serpentine kit.
Well, we're really glad to have you over on the eastern side of the country, and
Yes,
I'm going to
sir.
call it the South.
Okay.
Thanks for being here, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for talking to us a little
All
bit
right.
about the truck.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Yep.
I got a bunch of
What are you doing?
Tell me something good.
There is nothing good.
There's nothing good.
There's nothing good.
The
Don't
good thing
buy
is-
United by Trucks merchandise.
Oh, so
It's
you
printed
sell
by
out.
someone else.
You sell out by C10 with C10 Fall Revival shirts, but you're just telling.
That's right.
Man.
You know, hey, we're so thankful for the turnout. The support we've gotten from the nation in general has been fantastic. So we appreciate you guys, every one of you.
Heck yeah, man. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, man.
C10 Club NC, Smith Concrete. I mean, everybody that's in our little group, and I mean little group, we decided to do this 2 months ago, right?
Yep.
2 months. We all sat down and we had a vision of what we wanted, and honest to God, we said, look, we're gonna have 50 trucks. That's our goal, is 50 trucks. So we did 50 goodie bags. We did just, you know, the basic of the basic. We're like, you know, we wanna do something and see what's good, what's bad. So here we are 2 months later. Beautiful weather, it was supposed to rain.
Yeah.
We thought 50 trucks, 50 goodie bags disappeared in a matter of 30 minutes. So so the thing is that, you know, having over 200 trucks today is just mind-boggling to us.
Oh, that's awesome.
And we're so appreciative. We're just letting everybody know, 2020, October the 24th, save the date, we'll be here. You guys watch the channel, you'll see the coverage. Check us out, C10 Club NC, C10 Fall Revival. Check out Sucio Sanchez, BD Carlock, Smith Concrete. Check it out. You'll see all the coverage. You'll see all the trucks. Come out, support us. Give us feedback. What you like, what you didn't like. What could we do better? What did we do wrong? What did we do right? We're only going to grow. So let us know. Hit us up. All the social media outlets. Let us know. But
Sweet.
be here next year.
Yeah. What was that date again?
October the 24th, 2020.
C10 Fall Revival.
C10 Fall Revival.
So we're here with Blake from Wayne County, C10 Fall Revival, and he's got a request of me. What do you want me to do?
Christen that truck.
Christen that truck. All right, I'm gonna give Ron the camera. We're gonna christen this thing.
I feel like I'm holding a newborn baby.
Where do you want this bad boy?
Wherever you like to, man, except for the windshield since it's cracked.
I like him right here.
Yeah, man.
Is that too big?
That's fine right there.
I got a pocket knife. I need to trim it down a little bit.
No.
No, we're good. All right, this is pretty cool, right? I'm down with this. And you've got United by Truck stuff all over the interior. That's cool. See if I can
He
even
might
get.
be as crazy as we are.
Maybe.
I am. North Carolina. I love it.
Wayne County, baby.
Yeah.
I love North Carolina.
No bubbles,
You done
baby.
it.
So one of the cool things about coming to shows and meeting new people is I've known this guy via Instagram for a while, and we've been talking for a while. And what makes it even cooler is that he wants to put a
United by
UB.
Trucks.
We are united by trucks. He wants to put a UBT sticker on the brown bagger. So we're gonna do that right here.
Thank you, sir.
Heck yeah, man.
No pressure, but don't screw this up.
You know I might. If I do, I've got plenty
I'm
more.
not getting in the picture.
Beat that, son. I did. I don't know about enough. Yeah. Thanks for showing us all up. This thing is awesome.
Thanks.
Man, what's the engine setup?
It's Pat Reeves, the Edelbrock 5
Good Lord. Thanks for tuning in to United by Trucks. We have had a blast at C10 Fall Revival. Big thanks to Lou for making it all happen, for inviting us up. We have had an awesome, awesome time. Hope you enjoyed seeing all the trucks here, and we'll catch you next time right here on United by Trucks. Cue the music.